In this video, we'll explore its stunning design, breakthrough features, and what makes it stand out as a truly game-changing device. From its ultra-slim form factor to the powerful internals, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 redefines what a smartphone and a tablet can be. Whether you're a multitasker, a gamer, or a mobile creator, get ready to be inspired. At first glance, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is unmistakably premium. Samsung has refined its signature foldable design to be thinner, lighter, and even more durable than before. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Measuring just under 5.4 mm thin when unfolded, this is the slimmest foldable Samsung has ever created. Yet it weighs a mere 241 grams, lighter than previous models, thanks to new ultra-lightweight chassis materials. Samsung introduced a dual-layer armor aluminum frame, reinforced with microlattice composite. This gives you both rigidity and flexibility precisely where it matters, while providing IPX8 water resistance for everyday peace of mind. The hinge. It's the heart of a foldable. Samsung's engineers have redesigned it with a new Flex Shield bearing system. This innovative bearing architecture minimizes debris intrusion, ensuring a clean, crisp fold. It delivers a buttery smooth motion whether opening or closing the phone. Open to any angle and it will stay put, perfect for hands-free viewing, typing, watching, or video calls. Here's how it folds. Whether you're snapping photos, watching, typing, or gaming, the hinge gives you dynamic flexibility. It's secure, stable, and silent. Camera pans over color options: graphite, aqua blue, blush gold, and frosted white. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 comes in 4 luxurious finishes, each with its own character. Graphite, for classic understatement, aqua blue, for a fresh twist, blush gold, for subtle elegance, and frosted white, for a crisp minimalist look. Host touches textures. Finishes aren't just colors, they reflect light and showcase textures that resist fingerprint smudges, feeling smooth yet grippy in your hand. Text overlay. Samsung says each finish undergoes a 7-step coating process. Cover display: bright, fast, pocket-ready, approximate. 400 words. Host holding folded phone, tapping cover screen. Let's start with the cover display. It's a full 6.3-inch AMOLED panel, perfect for one-handed operation. Graphic pop-up. 120 Hz adaptive refresh. 2800 nits peak brightness. Voice-over explanation. With up to 2800 nits peak brightness, this display is visible even in direct sunlight. Whether you're texting, browsing, or playing a quick game, the responsiveness is silky thanks to 120 Hz refresh and a 30 milliseconds touch latency. Side-by-side footage. Fast scrolling versus older phone. Notice how swift and crisp everything looks and feels, compared to earlier models. Main foldable display: spacious, vibrant, adaptive, approximate. 600 words. Device unfolds, and host gently swipes across the main screen. Open up and the magic truly happens. You have a gorgeous 7.6-inch Infinity Flex display with virtually no notch,